What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef Macato. We back at it again with another video today. As y'all can see, we out here in front of the Challenger right now. I'm actually gonna be showing y'all how to actually launch your car. Now, this is a quick disclaimer. In no way, shape, or form am I professional. This is just based off of past runs, off of research, and off the input of the actual community and more experienced guys. And I think this method actually works. Now, this is going to be exclusively for the Challengers or the Chargers that don't have launch control. I'm going to show you how to actually launch this thing from the line and get the best possible 0 to 60 time, man. So if you're new to the channel, this is your first time tuning in, make sure you go ahead and you smash the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you go ahead and drop a comment. Today we just about to go out and we about to have a little bit of fun, and I'm gonna teach y'all how to launch this thing. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. And don't mind that my tank is almost on E. We close, but not quite there yet. But this method is pretty simple. If you have a Challenger or if you have a Charger, it's very, very, very simple. Now, the first thing you want to do, go ahead and put your car in sport mode, get your green checker flag, and then also my recommendation is to go ahead and turn off traction control. You get the traction control sport option, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Now, the main thing is going to be in the actual your footwork. You want to make sure you have 1 foot on the actual brake, 1 foot on the pedal. All you're going to do is rev the car up a little bit. Make sure you gas it slow. As you should see, you want to get it up to about 1500 RPM. Excuse me, y'all, I'm trying to hold, let me do this a little bit better. I'm trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. So you want to press it down and get it to about 1500 RPM. Once you get to about 1500 RPM, just go ahead and just let off. And you're just gonna go ahead and just smash the gas, just press it down, and that's how you properly launch this thing. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna actually show you guys how to do this thing live. I'm probably not gonna hold on this camera. I'm gonna actually mount my iPhone up to the car, but I just want to show y'all this method work. Now, for all of my subscribers who've been here for a minute, there's no way you can lie on the actual numbers on your 0 to 60 timer. I'm gonna show y'all something. So also, it might help that I have 275s on the back now, but as you could just see, I was just playing around and I just cracked a 5.0. So I beat my time of 5.1. We got a 5.0 in this thing. So this method definitely works. So we about to go ahead and we about to have a little fun now. I'm about to mount the iPhone up and we about to get a couple runs in and we gonna make it do what it do. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and we about to get right into it. We about to get a couple runs in. Now, y'all gonna have to excuse me because this car got a lot of torque. I'm pretty sure y'all know this car has a lot of torque. So every time I seem to punch this thing, my mount, for whatever reason, might move. So I might go ahead and switch back and forth between the actual iPhone and my regular camera right here. So we going up this road. I had to actually find another road too, because this one street that I was on, usually the street that I'm on pretty much the majority of the time when I'm trying to do my runs, swear to God, banked the corner, dude was right behind me, just a regular civilian. He looking at my car and everything, and then I kind of like do a U-turn to get back around him to let him pass, and he's just sitting there in the middle of the street. And then, you know what, I just said, let me just go on. I'm gonna just ease past him and see what's going on. And he on the phone, so I don't know if he called the police to the area or whatnot, so I had to get up out of there. But yeah, I found another little location. I'm gonna actually show y'all what this street looks like off this bad boy right here. So y'all gonna have to excuse me real quick. I'm gonna actually turn this camera on. I wanna show y'all so y'all can see a different view of the street that I'm actually on. And this road is actually a lot smoother. I like it back here. So we got this camera going right here. This is just a quick overview of the actual road, as y'all can see. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. So we about to go ahead and we about to get this run in now. So I'm ready to go. Got my traction. Let me turn on my 0 to 60 meter. Come on, let's see. All right, we ready to rock and roll. So like I said, just follow the steps that I do. So we about to go ahead and rev this thing up a little bit to about 1500 with our foot on the brake. And there we go. Oh, we go. Let's go, let's go. Oh, 5.1 with ease though. But my best time, as y'all saw, we got a 5.0. Man, I'm about to try to, I'm gonna try to go for this 4.9. I'm gonna try to go for the 4.9. I'm gonna try my best. I swear to God, every time I try to run, man, hold up. I'm gonna show y'all on this camera just so y'all could stay along with me. I'm gonna leave this camera mounted up just so y'all can see. I'm not telling no stories. Let me go ahead and, y'all gotta excuse me, y'all. So as y'all can see, we just got a 5.1 on this particular run. But before that, unrecorded, I had my undivided attention on the road. I got that 5.0. So I'm gonna give it one more run, just one more run, man, because for whatever reason, I swear to God, every time I get out and I try to run this thing, I always seem to get some type of show. It seemed like everybody want to start coming out, or everybody want to look at my car, and it's just like, come on, man, just let me do my thing. And I actually, as y'all can tell by most of my videos, I stay in an area where, I mean, it's pretty mountainous and it's pretty empty back here. So when I do my runs, it's pretty safe for the most part. And if those of y'all who don't know, I live in Tijuana, Mexico. So I just wanted to get that point out there. Tijuana, Mexico. But I'm gonna go ahead and we gonna make it do what it do one more time. I'm gonna try my best to get this 4.9. We almost there, man. We almost there. We got the 275s on the back. We almost there, man. So once again, follow my method. Make sure your car in sport mode. Turn off that traction so you can activate the sports traction. We gonna go ahead and keep our foot on the brake. We go ahead and rev up to 1500 RPM. Ready to punch it. Let's go. Come on, let's go, let's go. Ah, damn, 5.2. 5.2. It's all good though. It's all good. Let me make sure I record this for y'all. I'm gonna make sure I record this for y'all. You know what? Nah, man, I'm gonna actually do it. I'm gonna give it one more run, just one more run. So as y'all can see, 5.2 on that run. Last run was a 5.1. My best time, unrecorded, no camera equipment, 5.0. And I gotta go to the gas station. So we about to go ahead and do one more run. And come on, man. That elusive 4.9. But I'm happy with that 5.0. That lets me know that the actual 275 tires makes a huge difference. Like, I can tell when I actually punch on it, the tires are not spinning out crazy like they were with those 275s. I'm actually getting a lot more traction, man, and a lot less wheel span. So we gonna give it one more run, but make sure y'all follow those steps, man. If you don't have the actual launch control feature in your Challenger or Charger, which from what I saw, it actually believe it's set up to launch you off of 1500 RPM. This is the way that you just do it manually by yourself. So we about to go ahead and get one more run in, man. Like I said, man, I'm going for that 4.9, man. Let's see if we can crack the 4.9. So we ready to rock and roll. All right, let's go ahead and rev it up to 1500. That's it. You know, maybe it's tired of running. Maybe it's tired of running. I actually got a 5.3 on this run. 5.3 on this run, but it's all good though. I'm still happy that we got the 5.0. We inching closer and closer and closer, man. We inching closer and closer to getting in the fours. And yeah, man, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for the video. So if y'all like this type of content, make sure you go ahead and you smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you go ahead and you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you drop a comment. Let me know what methods work for you. And I appreciate y'all. We gonna be back next week with another one.